Hey everybody, this is Chris with Keen Observations. Hope everybody's safe. The world we live in right now is unquestionably dangerous. I am not getting into politics, but I hope everybody in Ukraine is okay. And that's all I'm going to say about that. What I have here today, you see in the title, I'm sure, is a video on Tanner Goods. I got an email from them a few weeks ago saying that they were having a sale, I guess class B or grade B leather goods sale, and I have no idea what that's going to look like, and I'm going to find out, and you guys are going to find out at the same time. So I have an example of a non B grade leather goods from them. I have the wallet and I have the leather belt here. So I have nothing but love for this belt. That's why I bought a second one. And that's what's in here, a black one. And I got a brown one of these so I can mix and match. Well, let's just get into it. I'm gonna see what's going on over here. This is the first time I've done this with Tanner Goods, opening a box that is. So we'll see how that goes. Don't even know what to expect. Oh, wow! I didn't get the black one that I wanted, or the brown one that I wanted. I got the black one again. But actually, I like the longer strap better. If you see that right here, the longer pull for the zipper. Interesting. And then for the belt, I got the same size. I'm going to pull this away. And the official terminology, let's see what the paper says. The official paper says it doesn't actually say whether it's B grade or maybe a second. Anyway, let's look at the belts. I'll put the wallets away over here. So the belt is beautiful. Let's see if there's any flaws that I can find. I don't see a flaw there at all. No flaw there. I don't know what would make that a B grade. Maybe some staining there. Some staining there as well. I don't see anything. The buckle looks good. Buckle looks really good. Let's see what it looks like in comparison. Yeah, I don't know. If you guys see any major differences, let me know. I don't see anything that's going to jump out at me and make me think not quality as you'd expect from a standard belt from them. I'm happy. Well, let's get that out of the way. Next thing is the wallets. Let's look at these. So this is my older one, and this is the newer one. Maybe the wrinkles, I guess that would be a reason. This one's been worn by me for a few months now, and I guess this one looks a little bit rougher, like maybe it was worn. But let's see if maybe it was. I would have to say no. I don't think it's been worn by anybody. Wow, I'm impressed. It's still a very nice wallet. Look at that. Let me see here. See the Tanner emblem right there. The stamp. The impression, if you will. And that one as well. Interesting. Anyway, guys, I hope you like this little video, and hopefully it's not too boring. I paid $55 for each, I believe. $55 for the wallet, $55 for the belt, and that's probably half the price. A little bit less than half the price for both of them. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, and again, stay safe, and please hit like and subscribe if you like this video, and hope to see you again. Thank you.